Chester is sleeping. It's so cute, but it's also so scary that he's sleeping in that position every day. Good morning. Today I want to show you my favorite breakfast that I've been making for a hot minute now. Honestly, for me, I usually don't like to eat breakfast, but this past year I've been really working on myself to make myself like breakfast. Just going to get breakfast or going to get brunch is such a vibe, and I just need to really like breakfast foods. It's just something that I want to get better at. Today I'm gonna make my favorite kind of scrambled eggs that I've been loving recently. It's the same ingredients that I use for omelets, but I've been kind of tired of omelets because I've been eating that for like a month straight. Also, I've been really into drinking matcha as well in the morning instead of coffee. First things first, get everything out from the fridge. For me, I only like to make one trip to the fridge. I just don't know why. I'm just lazy like that. My matcha. This is the Alfred's matcha powder I've been using. It's so good. Got the whisk from Amazon. What I've been loving to use is avocado oil. Knowing me, I love avocados, and avocado oil is healthier for you. Don't quote me on that. I like to put in my onions in first. I just saute at the same time chop bell pepper. Prepping these bell peppers is so life-changing. It saves so much time. Don't worry, we'll do the matcha in a bit. I feel like I'm gonna finish the eggs first. Since the pan's super hot, I'm gonna warm up the ground chicken that I already prepped. So I have ground chicken, and it's an easy way for me to get my protein intake. I tried to do macros in the summer. It was really fun. It was just so time consuming. I've been obsessed with liquid egg whites. I get it because it's low in calories and it has a decent amount of protein in it. So I've been pouring my egg whites in here, and then I just like to scramble it. Honestly, my secret ingredient, vegan chicken leg seasoning salt from Trader Joe's. They don't sell it anymore. I know it looks a little weird, but it's honestly so good. I love adding sriracha to it. It's so good. I have bad news. I ran out of avocados, and I have avocado toast with my protein scrambled eggs, and so I'm sorry I can't show you how I make my avocado toast, and I swear it's really good. This is my little matcha setup and my matcha powder. I usually like to warm up my whisk. So I poured up the hot water from the kettle and put in this cup. I got my little, what's this called? Like strainer thing. And I pre-measured this one to make sure it's actually a teaspoon, and it actually is. For me, I like to use 2 tablespoons for my matcha. And I like to measure out like 1/4 of a cup. This is for my mason jar. The wrong lid. That was so embarrassing. I like 1/4 of a cup because I like my matcha flavor to be really like rich. And then I'll just put hella ice and some oat milk in and call it a day. The best part. Honestly, it smells so good. Look how foamy it is. I feel like a bartender every time I shake my oat milk. Since the water that I boiled is hot, I just gotta compensate and put hella ice into the mason jar. That should be good enough. And I pour not too much of the oat milk since I'm already frothing the top part. You know, a little taste test. So good. Add the rest of the froth on top. Ooh. Time to study. So good. I usually would eat this with avocado toast, but I ran out of avocados, and which is a problem. Maybe next time I'll show you guys how I make it. It's so good. Like, I've been eating it for pretty much the entire summer. That's how good it is. For me, I'm so much more productive when I'm having caffeine and getting stuff done. I don't know, I'm sure there's a correlation with caffeine and like productivity, but it works for me. So I literally wish I am a tea person, but I'm not. I don't know why. I want to get on the tea game. Like, I feel left out. I feel like people who have their life together drink tea, like just tea, just hot tea, tea in the tea bag in a mug. I wish I'm those type of people. Like, I feel like they're superior. Like, they get their ish done, they're organized, they look clean. Oh, I can never, but I try. And matcha is tea, so now I'm gonna get ready for the day, and today I'm gonna be using Merit Beauty. I have been trying to find a makeup bag for so long. You already know me, I'm super indecisive. Look how cute it is. It's just simple. Kind of looks like Chester in a way because it's brown. It has little ears on the side. What I love about Merit is that it's super minimalistic, natural. They really care about natural makeup. I got this really nice brush, and look, it's super soft. I'm super excited to try this one. The thing I really want to try from Merit Beauty was just the Shade Slick lip oils, and I'm super happy to be able to have one now. So the color that I got is the Marrakech color. I love it so much. Ever since I watched Love Island UK this past season and was making fun of Faye's lip color, how it's like a gravy color, because she wears a lot of nude lips, you know, which is fine, but everyone was just like making fun of her, and I'm like, I cannot do nude lips anymore. So this is why I chose this color. So some of the shades that just came out, I'll put it on the side here, which is Bel Air, Taupe, Cara, and Falcon. These are really nice shades. It's honestly really hard for me to choose just one to really try. I got this Voluminizing Pomade, it's for your brows, and I got the color Black Brown. Ooh! Okay, look at this handle. As you can see, I decided to dye my hair dark. This is like a really big change for me this year because I want to change the vibes. So they claim that this Perfecting Complexion Stick works as both a concealer and like a foundation all in one, which I love. I'm really simple. I don't have much makeup products, and I'm always on the go for the fact that everything could fit in this little cute pouch. I got the color Bisque. It's this nice beigey color. It's like a magnet, so like, whoa, this is fancy. You can like turn it up like a crayon. I don't know why I just think of crayons. Like, if you know, you know, like those jumbo crayons when you twist in the bottom in color. And then I also got the color Khaki as a foundation shade to kind of match more of my shoulder. For this past year, I've been super obsessed with blushes, and I go ham on blushes. You know why? Because 10 seconds later, it disappears. This color I've been super excited about. I've seen on other people before, and it looks so pretty on the skin. So this is called Beverly Hills. I've just been obsessed with it. It looks so youthful and juicy. I'm super excited to try this one. Like, look at it in the light. And the last thing I got, this is a highlighter stick. Look how pretty this is. So this is the color Cava. It's a highlighting balm. All of this looks super moisturizing. I just feel like for myself, getting a little dry now since the temperature's getting cooler, which is kind of ironic because today is like 81 degrees in San Francisco, so it's super hot. So today we're gonna be kind of chilling, doing some errands, so I just don't want to wear too much makeup. I'm super happy I got these clips off of Amazon. They're a lifesaver. All right, so I'm gonna start off by using, I believe Bisque is the lighter shade to start off underneath my eyes. Ooh, I'll put it around my nose. Super creamy, I love it. I use one of my fingers to blend it out. This side compared to this eye. Wow, this is like, this girl doesn't sleep that much, or she stays up late playing Pokemon, or this girl's like, oh, she's well rested. That is the goal. I look really well rested, even though I'm not. I really like this texture. I'm wearing eyelash extensions, by the way. Look how even my face looks after using this. Like, wow. Let's try a little more full coverage. So this is Khaki. I just hope this is the right shade. I'm just gonna put little like Pikachu marks on me. I'm gonna use this brush to blend it out. I like how it doesn't pick up too much of the product. It's actually pressing onto my skin. Honestly, this is literally perfect for me. I'm always do my makeup last minute. Every time I go out with my friends, they're always waiting on me. So this is nice, quick, and easy, and I really appreciate it. I love it. I usually don't fill my brows in that much. I like to keep it natural. I like to keep it natural with my brows because since I'm not doing too much with like my eyes or anything, I don't want my brows to be like the focal point. So I'm just gonna fill it in for a little bit, and then I'll finish it off with the brow gel. So this is the brown and black color. Wow, this actually holds nicely. Blush, keeping it simple. I don't know, I want to rub it straight on my cheek, I could just do that too. With my blush, I like to put it like on my nose too for like a nice sun-kissed look, because actually when I went to Hawaii with my friends, my nose got sunburned and literally was on the spot where I put my blush. So I get why people say like a sun-kissed look, because I literally got sunburned on my nose at the exact same spot where most people put their blushes on. So it's real. It's not just a saying, it's actually real, because I got sunburned on my nose and I was like, that's not blush, that's actually my sunburn. Ooh, I like to go ham on my blush. I like how it's super creamy. Yes. Oh, I love the blush. It's so cute. Highlighting balm, I'm super excited. So far, everything's been super creamy, which I love. I love it. Right now, down the nose bridge, because I'm Asian, I don't have a nose bridge. Ooh, look at my collarbone. Look at that. Love this. I love it. So I now have a confession. I don't use lip liner. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I just haven't had the time to find the right one. But no worries. I'm super excited to use this lip oil. Everyone on TikTok is talking about lip oil. I need to get on it. I ruined it already, but isn't it so satisfying when you don't get anything dirty on the top of the bottle? Let's try this. I'm really surprised how pigmented this is. I see myself carrying this shade Slick everywhere I go. Overall, I really enjoy using all these products. It was really fast for me to get ready, which is super rare for me. And I love how super minimalistic it is. And honestly, less is more. I really like how it turned out. This is such a realistic everyday look for me and it looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Merit Beauty. It's actually really good. I really like it and it's affordable. So if you guys are interested in buying anything that I'm using today, make sure you use my link down below and I earn a small commission with it. So thank you so much if you do buy something from it. If not, hopefully if you want to try anything out, you know, I got you. So lip oil, yes. Pretty much everything I used today, I absolutely love. I've been meaning to buy new makeup because I'm really bad and like I'm using your old makeup and I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for getting ready with me this morning. I'll see you next time. Bye.